Alright, so this video is going to explain to you how to do integer problems with multiplication and division. It's really simple. All you have to do is multiply and divide like normal, and then look at this chart to figure out if the answer is positive or negative. And you can see it's pretty easy that for multiplication and division, the rules are exactly the same. So I really need to memorize these four things. And remember, this is only for multiplication and division. Don't ever say this. Don't ever say that a positive plus a negative equals a negative. Even though I see it says positive times a negative is a negative, that rule will not work for addition. So don't do that. Alright, why don't you take a minute and write down these notes so that you have them. And then when you're done writing that down, you can continue the video. Alright, so now you got your handy dandy notes. You can knock these problems out. I'm going to do the first one, and then you do the rest on your own. And you can pause the video while you're doing them, and then press play when you're done. See how you did. Alright, first question. This is negative 8 times 3. I know the time symbol's not in the right place. I'm not sure how that happened. But 8 times 3, that's easy. That's 24. Okay, now the only thing I have to worry about is if it's positive 24 or negative 24. Let's see here. I got a negative times a positive. That's right here. Negative times a positive is a negative. So that will be negative 24. Piece of cake. Alright, pause the video and try the rest of these problems. When you're done, press play. See how you did. Alright, let's see how you did. 6 times 5 is 30. And a positive times a negative is a negative. So that's negative 30. 2 times 2 is 4. And a negative times a negative is a positive. 9 times 5 is 45. And a positive times a negative is a negative. 12 divided by 1 is 12. And a negative divided by a positive is a negative. 80 divided by 10 is 8. And a negative divided by a negative is a positive. Negative 40 divided by 10 is 4. And a negative divided by a positive is a negative. And then negative 14 divided by negative 2 is 7. And that will be positive 7, because a negative divided by a negative is a positive. Okay, so you need to memorize these rules, because if you don't know them, you will not do the integer problems right. So memorize those and be ready to use them on your exam. Thank you.